All right, there we go. And Sam, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and make a great recipe tonight, right, buddy?
We're gonna make
Yay!
cookies.
We're making cookies. So tonight we're gonna make a really good cookie recipe. And what kind they're gonna be?
We're gonna do sugar.
Sugar.
And we're gonna use that and even that and even go use that.
So why don't we come around and we'll show you the real stuff. First here we got almond flour.
Almond flour.
Yeah, so we want to be healthy, right? So we got some really nice almond flour. Sam's going crazy.
Yeah.
Coconut sugar.
Coconut sugar.
Let me hold that. Coconut. This is way better than regular sugar. Sam.
It's the best sugar ever.
Yeah, it's the best sugar ever. We have coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's really good. And then for salt, we're using kosher salt.
Kosher salt.
Okay, and we have some butter.
Butter.
And eggs.
Eggs.
Okay, so you show mommy what you're gonna do. Look, I'm gonna feed you. Come here, Sam.
Okay. First, we're going to we're gonna make this.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait it to a good stuff and put on something and we stir it up like that.
Okay, so the first thing we did is we preheated our oven to 350 degrees, right?
Okay.
Yes.
See?
Okay. And then we're gonna cream together the butter, the coconut oil, the sugar, and the eggs and vanilla. Okay, so let's do this.
Okay.
Let's put the butter in here.
Butter.
Use that spoon.
A spoon.
Soft butter. And that's about a quarter of a cup. There's still some on here. And remember, you can always move the camera too.
And we're gonna do this.
So next we're gonna use coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Yeah.
Here.
A lot of coconut oil in Florida, huh, John?
Yeah, there's a lot of it.
We're going for it. Use that other camera.
What is good?
Okay. So we're on about a half a cup of that. Why do you think we use coconut oil?
Okay. Because we're gonna make it taste good.
Yeah, and it's healthy.
Yeah, healthy.
Healthy cookies.
Healthy cookies.
Yes.
When you get them healthy, just they won't even go down to some. They won't get dirty.
And it'll actually make your hair shiny, right?
Okay. Yes.
So look, if you want to, you can just almost I don't know here anymore.
Next
I think they went off.
You just go like this. If you want to
They're not there anymore.
Just
Are we still recording?
there.
All right, they're back. Now look, if you want to highlight a different camera, you go over here and you go more, and you go spotlight. Okay, so if you want to change it over to that camera in here, see there?
What's the next one?
All right. So next, so far we got our coconut. What are you doing, Johnny?
Just
Okay, we got our, what all we have in here?
we have
Butter, coconut oil.
coconut oil,
Okay, next we need to put in our sugar.
sugar.
So how much do we want to put in there? What do you think? How about we put in 3/4 of a cup? So-
We can hold that way work.
So here's what we're gonna do. Here's a quarter, right?
Quarter, yes, a quarter.
So we're gonna do this.
Okay, can I try?
You can try. That's one.
This one.
How many of these do we need?
Three. Okay. Three.
Two.
Two. One more. I'm gonna do it. I get it. Yes.
And three.
Got three.
Okay, that's 3/4 a cup of coconut sugar, but if you don't have that, you can always use brown sugar. This actually really tastes like brown sugar. It's really good.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, so what's next, buddy?
We
We got our vanilla, so we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay, vanilla.
So we got 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna have to do this one here because it's really big.
Okay.
So we have this great big bottle of vanilla.
Yeah, Johnny.
It's giant, yeah.
Okay. Kind of put it in.
Do you like cooking?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about it?
Because you get to put in ovens.
Yeah. And you get to eat the stuff.
Yeah.
My camera. This is my, I don't know if anybody can see into that camera or not. That is my, it's my paper towel roll camera. It's hidden.
Oh, I got a little quarter in.
Oh, you got you got a little quarter in this pocket. Okay, we're gonna put our eggs in.
Okay.
Now let's put it in the mixer.
Okay.
You might want to go away from the mixer.
Number 1, right?
Yep, number 1. Now, we're gonna just take this up to number 2 now. We're gonna cream all this here. Can you see down in the mixer?
Yep.
How about our viewers? Can they see that?
I don't want to hear.
And you know what we're gonna need here. See how nice it's looking? Yay. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this here. Why don't we take a look at this?
I want to see.
Cameraman,
Cameraman,
can you see down in here?
Yeah, I want to taste one.
Yeah, let's get a look at that, huh? Wow.
Okay.
Not with your tongue, use your finger.
Good.
Good? So pass the test? Okay. So next, the next 2 ingredients we're gonna put in is a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and then we're gonna put in half a teaspoon of salt.
Oh yeah.
And so those are the next 2 things. So let's get the half a teaspoon measure. Okay, so it's gonna be real quick here. We got a half a teaspoon of this.
Can I try? I'll do it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's do half a teaspoon of salt.
Yes, salt. Salt is the best.
Now we're just gonna mix this till it incorporates.
Okay. Mix it up.
Now, next thing is we need 3 cups of this beautiful almond flour. And when you get your almond flour, if you ever get it, you want to make sure that it's blanched. Blanched almond flour. So this recipe is a paleo friendly recipe.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. Dad, I'll try to put that on number 1, please.
Number 1. Is that? Okay. Number 1. Okay. Oh man, that's giant.
Okay.
Giant one.
Switch that off. Put that one in.
Huge.
Okay, back to number 1.
It's huge.
Do number 1 again. You do number 1. And then the last cup.
Cut it off.
Well, yeah. And now turn it off. And we'll put in this last cup. Number 1 again.
Number 1.
1.
Let's mix it up. Looks super good.
Okay.
I'll taste the later.
Let's turn it off. So now.
Looks super good. Wish I had it.
I mean, no, around to you. Huh?
Yep.
You are.
Super good. I want to taste. I want to taste one.
Here.
Mmm.
And you know what I think it needs?
100% pass.
100% passed. Okay. I think we should put some cinnamon in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, a tiny bit.
So cinnamon is not in the recipe, but we like to have a little cinnamon in our chocolate chip cookie. Just a little bit. Okay?
And some are cookies that lose some of those things in there, but some doesn't. Mmm.
Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take all this out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my. What are we going to do with that?
I gotta eat it.
Okay. Is that good?
Very good. 500%.
500%. Okay, next. What do you say we put some chocolate chips in these?
Yeah, because that's one of the recipe. Is that in the recipe?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's see if we can do about a cup of them.
Yeah, if we can.
I think last time we did, you put in way too many.
Yeah, we can. Not a big cup. That's for the whole thing. That's my favorite chocolate chips, Dad.
So why do you like these? Because they're big?
No, because I bought some. There's a full. Last time I was at a party, and there's like a chocolate chip, and it tasted super tasty. That's why I get to have these ones.
So these are dark chocolate too.
Oh, can I taste one? Because it looks super good. Good.
Okay. So now we're gonna pour that in.
Yep. Whoa.
Mix.
That looks super cookie. Can I mix it up because I never get it mix anything up right.
Here. You mix it up.
It's super yummy.
I'm just gonna spray my pan.
Super good.
All right, all set?
Some got stuck.
Okay, all good.
Okay, let's mix it up.
That's it. Now we're gonna just go ahead and put them in little balls.
Yep. How you roll it up to the bowl?
Now the other day you were telling me something. You said you really like meatballs.
Yes. I want to be in a bowl.
Who makes the best meatballs for me?
Poppy.
Yeah.
There's like a little thing right here. There's one little right here. There's one right here.
So the nice thing about these cookies is they'll actually look like a real cookie when you're done. Sometimes the gluten-free stuff doesn't ever turn out right.
Yes.
But these actually do.
I
I used a little more coconut oil this time than the last time because I was low on butter.
Yes.
But it may be a little flatter whenever I'm done. They may spread a little more, but I think they're going to be pretty darn good.
Yes.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll spread these out a little more here.
Okay, you can spread them out if we need to.
Yeah.
The cookies the cookies I saw is like very flat. And it's like
And they stack them up, remember?
yeah. Those are the ones, but they're super flat.
Yeah.
It's like something like a different cookie. Flat. So flat.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put these in the oven.
Yep.
For how long?
About like 3 minutes. So.
Now let's look at the recipe. I think it's 15.
Yeah. If it's 15 minutes, that would have been a long time.
No, it's 11 to 13 minutes.
What?
Yeah.
That will take a long time. You know why?
Why?
Because I didn't give a taste to all those cookies.
What do you think? You need another pan?
Yeah, I just want to taste one.
Yeah.
With the cookies undercooked in there.
This made a lot.
Yeah.
So let's put these in the
I
oven.
made a lot, right?
Yeah. Let's put these in. I need a few more.
So
I'll just put some in this pan here.
we're gonna put some in another pan. So we're gonna
I forgot how many of these things made.
I don't know. Okay. We're gonna take more in another pan because there's a lot of them. We're just gonna take a couple of them when there's still more of them. You're talking, I'm talking.
Yeah. It's that phone.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
We can do these. Things can be cooked like I don't know how many minutes, but then we can I still hear it.
I know. All right, we're gonna put these in. After 13 minutes. You wanna put them in?
Yeah.
Watch your step. You got it tight?
Too hot.
It's too hot. All right, 11 to 13 minutes. So there you go.
How was this chocolate on the bottom of thing?
Oh, on the bottom of the oven?
Yeah.
I think it's a sweet potato.
See what's here is not.
Well, that's it for tonight, guys. Here we go. Huh? What do you mean something wrong? It's still here. Uh-oh. So now, Christina, hold on a minute. Hang on a minute here.
Hello. You.
Oh my goodness. We got some feedback here. Hang on a minute. One of my
Puppy.
hang on a minute.
Hello.